Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech. I'm back again with another video of a Bluetooth speaker, which is mini in size and having a powerful sound. It is given by Flipkart SmartBuy from the Flipkart. So today I'm gonna do the unboxing and giving you the review of the speaker, how it works. So let's start the unboxing of this. So in the box you see you get a mini Bluetooth speaker and the accessories in the box, aux cable and a USB charging cable and some paperwork. So let's keep aside and let's see the Bluetooth speaker, how it works. So it is very light and compact in size. As you can see, has got a premium design and buttons are very compatible, and behind you can see some options for the playback. So here is the on off button, here is the aux cable connection, the micro SD card slot, USB playback and the charging slot. So let's on it and check the sound, how it works. As you have heard, the sound is very nice and loud and clear. So it is enough for a big room, I can say that. Okay, so if you are planning to buy this, I guarantee you can go for it without any hesitation. So that's all for today, and I'll be back with another video. Okay, so let's see some other time. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.